Hello. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 26. Come on, let's get into this video. But before we get into the video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. Come on now, let's get into this video. All right, but before we get into our video, let me just remind you, only a couple of more days to go. I need you to comment down below on any of December's videos that you are a loyal subscriber to Glennceria Loving Hands, so I can place you in my drawing that I'm giving away, okay? Let's just say I am a loyal subscriber to Glennceria Loving Hands channel, or you can also go over to my Instagram at GlennceriaLovin, okay? So let's feature the soap of today. The soap of today is Prince and Princess Doggy Shampoo Bars, okay? Yes, I make shampoo bars for dogs as well, okay? So this says Prince and Princess Doggy Shampoo Bar, organic ground oats with organic coconut oil, lavender, and chamomile essential oil. And the ingredients are as listed: distilled water, organic ground oats, organic extra virgin olive oil, castor oil, organic coconut oil, essential oil, doggy soap embeds. Okay, and that's all that's in here. And that's my doggy shampoo bar. Clay Time Detox Facial Bar. Okay, Clay Time All Natural Detox Facial Bar. And in this bar, we have shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, distilled water. The clays are Rasun clay. That's the pink, is the Rasun. Bentonite clay is the beige, and the black is activated charcoal. And our essential oils are tea tree and rose geranium. Isn't that beautiful? So I already sealed them. So what we're going to do is label and package them, okay? And get them ready to go into the Etsy shop. So come on, let's get into this video and let's get busy. Let me bring you down. Okay, so what we have here, we have our back labels, we have our front labels, we have our tags, we have some ribbon or string, whatever you want to use. We have our soaps, and I'm going to place them in the bag. 9 inches by 9.5 inches, okay? They're going to be placed in the bag. So first things first, they'll get our labels, okay? See? Clay Time, I saw front label. And it says Clay Time Detox Facial Soap Bar with bentonite, Rasun clays, and activated charcoal, tea tree, and rose geranium. All right, you know what we have to do. Find that corner to start. And once you find that corner, you're good to go. We got it. All right, I place it on my tag. I don't care if it's longer, I just wrap it around. There you go. And now we'll put the back label on. How was everyone's Christmas? Did you enjoy your Christmas yesterday? I hope you did. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, I am grateful. Are you grateful? I am. I am grateful. That's the quote of today. So we have our front label. We have our back label. We'll take our ribbon, string, whatever you like Whatever you want to use, it's up to you. I just have this yellow. We're going to take a bag, take some out, place our soap inside of the bag. I'm going to twist twice. I have my label. I'm going to place it in front of my soap, and I'm going to tie my ribbon down to my bag. And that is it. Nothing to it but to do it. Are you hitting the stores returning things today? Cut some of that top off. Remember, Christmas is just one day, guys. Turn it over. Let's get a back tag on it. The back side with all your ingredients. Make sure your labels have all your ingredients on it, front and back. All right. Place it. It's there. Let's do this one. All right. What are you grateful for? Comment down below. Tell me one thing that you're grateful for. I am grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for people who love me. I'm grateful. I'm grateful that I'm still here. I'm grateful that I have a peace of mind. That I live a very peaceful life, which I love. Then you don't even have to tie it in a bow. We're ready to go. We have our bag. Let's get our soap in it. Twist it a couple of times, one or two, and that's it. Bring it to the front. And this is clay time. Detox facial soap bar. And remember, you don't have to always use them on your face. They can be used on any part of your body as you choose. Okay? Let's cut off some of this excess paper bag on the top. You don't need all that. And you're done. go, and I'm gonna cut some of this off. Don't need it. And there we go. We'll do one more. Okay. So we have our tag here. Twist it a little bit. Make sure my label, I'm placing it on the table while I hold it down, and I'm going to tie a knot. Simple as that. Bring our plate. And we're done. Look how beautiful that is. Playtime. Playtime. Isn't that beautiful? There you go. The soap of today is Prince and Princess Doggy Shampoo Bars. Okay? And the essential oil used was lavender and chamomile. Excellent for dogs. We have sealed, wrapped, packaged our Playtime Detox Facial Bar, along with Rasun clay, bentonite clay, and activated charcoal. Okay? Very good. Triple drip, right? Excellent detox facial bar. All right, and the essential oil is tea tree and rose geranium. Rose geranium. Love you. Have a great Saturday. Vlogmas Day 26. Quote of today, I am grateful. I'm grateful for you, for coming in, being part of my YouTube channel. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Love you, and see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now. Have a great day and be safe. Bye.